It might seem like a banal conclusion, but the internet is no longer a phenomenon you just relate to. It's the reality we all take part in, and it is that reality that artists are examining artistically and critically under the term post-internet art. And as the internet was invented and started to grow, net art came to being. The term was used by artists exploring the possibilities of the technology, its possibilities, confinements, and power. Post-internet is the consolidation of the internet and its profound impact on our existence. With the post-internet, we no longer have a distance to the web, but more the like of bodies and minds unfolding on its premises. That is what post-internet artists are examining as the most important field in contemporary art today. So you could say that post-internet art is not about the internet itself per se, but how the idea of the internet shows up in our lives. This is just one way to phrase it. I'm not an expert. A relevant artist is Belgian-American Cecile B. Evans, and she's really interested in the space between the rational and the emotional, investigating the difference between the ways we think about a subject and how we feel about it. She works with installation, video, and the digital realm. And her art is placed in a spot where the online world and the physical reality sort of have a play together or an interaction. And she is exploring the impact that rapidly developing technologies have on the human condition. And she likes to use these fictional creations like stimulated characters that express genuine feelings and authentic human sentiments, where she examines the value contemporary society places on emotion and the way we're adapting to live in both the digital and the physical context within the same reality, if that makes sense. All this data is a very visual thing. It's not in the cloud, and it takes up a lot of space in huge buildings around, in the shapes of server farms and so on. And the emotion we share rests in these spaces, and that is interesting. The internet is where most of this circulates. Maybe that will change, and that is also something she's investigating through her art. Her art covers many of the cultural tropes that embody contemporary life. Our relationship to technological interfaces, the idea of identity in a changing digital landscape, and the pop cultural short-lived that makes up the everyday. This shows up as a variety of hyperlinked works that range from animated videos, sculptured objects, online spam bot projects, and things alike. One thing that makes Evans' work nice is this endless calling out of the beyond, what is outside, and the everything else from the perceived whole of the internet. Also, her practice is a good example of the uncontrolled action in the digital sea. If you try to visit her website, you will find a notes document with links, quotes, and comments. Here you can find messages like this one, which I found. I'm gonna read it now. Hi Cecile, how are you doing? Can we actually write anything we want on your website? Question mark. Interesting. Cheers. Cow production. P.S. Come and say hello whenever you're in Paris. Then she responds, haha, yes you can. I haven't updated my website in a long time. Thanks for the reminder. Smiley face. Please do the same when you're in London. P.S. Hi everyone. Cecile has one sentence she uses to explain her art, which is how we value emotion in contemporary society. And so all of this is very weird and complicated, but hopefully we have helped you to get a better idea of what internet and post-internet art is. And around this site you will find images and links to works of the artists we talked about, and also info about other related artists. So thank you and goodbye.